Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. So it's almost 2026 and there's going to be so many changes happening in the year 2026. It's going to be crazy. We are going to be taxed, guys. Like 2026 is going to see you losing about 25% of your income. It's going to be a crazy year and hopefully we'll survive it. I'm praying we survive it. Anyway, we move. Hello, welcome back to Independently Tessa. If this is your first time coming, thank you for clicking. If you're a returning viewer, thank you for coming back. So I want to prepare a series for the coming 2026 and all the whole tax confusion that is going on right now. And I know this new tax law is going to be affecting a lot of people. It's going to be touching your money. It's going to be affecting your bottom line, your bottom balance. So it's pretty important to Nigerians, and many companies and organizations now are putting themselves in place, raising salary, raising commissions, just generally raising income so their employees and staff won't starve and won't, rebel or protest because of the whole tax laws and everything that is going to be coming in 2026. So, because we are in Nigeria, let's be honest, people are going to be using this opportunity to cheat you of your money. They are going to look for a way to scam you and make money from all this whole tax ID of a thing, bank linking your tax ID to your bank account of a thing. So I just decided to do a series of videos on it and then shed more light on how this is going to affect you and how you can easily get your tax ID number without anybody taking your money for it, because honestly, it's free. So don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Don't go to one cafe and they tell you to bring 5,000, 2,000, 3,000, 10,000 for tax. It's absolutely free. So moving on. Today I'm going to be doing a simple video on how to get your individual tax ID with your NIN number. That's right. Government has made it easy for them to take your money without you struggling and working hard to give them your money. So this is why they came up with an easy way to get your tax ID with your NIN number. Yay! Aren't we happy? They love us so much. They're making it easy for them to take our money. How do you get your tax ID? First, you click on the tax ID link. I'm going to be putting the link in the description box. So you can go to the description box and click on the link. So when we get to the individual interface for getting your tax ID, you click on the drop down box if the drop down box is not already showing NIN. But if it's already showing NIN, then you just need to copy and paste your NIN into the box. I hope we all have our NIN number saved on our phone because we use it a lot. Our BVN, our NIN number are all ought to be saved on our phone. I hope we all really. Oh God. No. Why? Okay, moving on. Hope we all have our NIN and BVN saved on our phone because it is very important. You can't achieve much in the Nigerian banking system without your NIN and your BVN. So if we have it saved somewhere on our phone, we go, we copy, then we come and we paste it in the box. And after you paste your NIN in the box, then you click retrieve my tax ID. When you click retrieve my tax ID, a section will open up where you have to put in your first name, your last name, and your date of birth. And please make sure the date of birth you're putting in your first name and last name tallies with what is actually on your NIN verification. When you verify your NIN, let it tally with what is actually in your NIN ID card. Let your first name, last name, date of birth be exact same as what is in your name. After you've put in all this information accurately, you click the consent box. So after you've clicked the consent box, you click submit. After you've clicked submit, a confirmation information will now pop up, and that confirmation information will bring out your tax ID number. With this number, you can go to the bank and put it in as your TIN number and link your bank account with your TIN number. It is easy, it is stress-free, it won't take much of your data, and best of all, it is free. Of course, because of that, they are going to take your money, but it's better for you to get it free and then give them to take your money than for you to pay for it and then give them to still take your money. Anyway, moving on. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. I will still come up with a live stream of questions and answers about tax ID, what it will mean for Nigerians going forward, for corporate entities, individual entities, and other. I'm still going to come up with more questions and answers because the bank is still giving us more questions and answers for customers and clients and what this will mean for them. So more Q&As keep coming up and I'm going to be bringing them to you. I'm going to be doing live videos, more live videos, and more videos on how this tax is going to affect you, how it won't affect you, and how you can actually survive the federal government taking your money, a lot and lots of your money. Okay, I'm depressed just thinking about it. Thank you for sticking with me up to the end. Thank you for watching. And hopefully we are going to survive this coming 2026 and actually be able to earn money in this 2026. Fingers crossed. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Peace. Like my favorite YouTuber would say.